Well, once more, we ain't got enough problems. We wind up with this very colorful bird, almost as bright as a parrot, but it's, I guess, a red bird. And it was days it knocked into our cage where she was working on the chickens. And we're not sure what the story is. It can still fly if it's just temporarily dazed, or what we're supposed to do if we should doctor it. If it's super young, do they get bigger than that? Who knows? I know it's not wanting us to pet it right now so much. It's very soft and fluffy. Yeah, that's my wife for you. Oh, Polly got a cracker? That's being nice. Alrighty. Yeah. She's gonna, for a lot of our people out there, well, you people out there, here's what we want to give you.
Back up.
We want to give you, yes, this is what we want to give you, some of you people, the bird.
Go back here where it came from and see if...
Or put it down there amongst our birds.
Our birds will kill it. They'll peck it to death.
Well, let me do it without, here, let me do it. Huh.
Get the camera away from me.
Huh. Well, I don't know if we threw it up if it was fly or not.
Not real.
Huh. Oh my.
Kinda.
I guess we need to do like that old man and nurse it back to health, or keep it till it gets strong enough, or what? Yeah, I ain't even attempting to. I don't know if it is that dang big enough how, or